Hello, I'm doing my first test with my Comp 444 project called AutoMove. Geez, camera work in the mess. This was done a bit off the cuff. So here's what is supposed to happen. This robotic arm will detect when I put an object on that brown cardboard platform. It'll reach down and pick it up. I'll upload the code now. Here's a peek. This is the part of the main loop that describes its operation. I'll translate. If an object is detected within 30 seconds, that's the 30,000 number there, then move the gripper to it and grab it. Move it over to the cup's position and then release it. This loops over and over. At the moment, it picks up the object from a set location, right about here. The original project goal specified locating the object, but the algorithms that can do that kind of thing, they take up too much memory for the Arduino. I haven't been able to overcome the memory limitations, but I suspect that it's possible. Alright, first object is this whiteout bottle. I'm hitting the upload button. There we go. Just waiting for it here. There we go. Jerks around a bit. That's okay. It's just really fast. It's scanning the empty platform right now, recording a baseline sonar measurement. You can see the debug messages here. See, the baseline is set to 1103. That's 1103 microseconds. The AutoMove program keeps a short history of the filtered sonar data, seeing if there could be an object below it by comparing new measurements to the old ones and calculating the standard deviation. I've included a bit of hysteresis into the code as well. You can see that it's set to 20 there, 20 microseconds. It's basically just a fudge factor that prevents the system from reacting to noise and other small disturbances. Here we go. Will it work? Doesn't seem to be working. Let me just read the serial output for a moment. Let's try it again. I'll put my hand in there to force the detection. Ah, there it goes. First test. Uh-oh. Oh, it's just slow. It's coming. Oh! It got it. It's jerking around a bit. Woo! Picked it up. Dropped it. Perfect. Alright. And it's back to scanning the platform there. Can't believe it worked. Sorta. It's not supposed to work the first time. The force sensors didn't detect anything. I can see them on the serial line here. It must have been a really light grip. You can see here that the logic for not detecting an object certainly works. There's no false positives. That's a good thing. I'll have to tweak some numbers to improve the actual detection though. Okay, some numbers have changed. There's our Hollywood Star bottle of whiteout. Oh, the robot looks ready to rock and roll. Here we go. I'll just put this bottle down here. Dang it. Wait a second. There's activity on the serial monitor. Oh, there it goes. It did detect. It's just slow again. I'll put this back. It really jerks around. That's no good. Oh, here you go. Oh well. I think the gearing on the gripper is slipped. It doesn't really close as much as it's supposed to. Can you see down there? I can't really see it. Oh, it detected my hand. Let's just watch it. It looks like the claw closes, but I don't think it has any force. Something's loose. I'll fix that right now. Right, I've tightened the claw connections and glued the gear onto the servo. Has a better connection now. I'm testing it out. No, it's not, no detection. I'll stick my hand in there again. There it goes. It goes back too far. Oh, that's a lot better. See, I put a cup there below where it drops everything. Success! Worked! Hey, look, a dog. Alright, I've massaged the control code a bit. It's uploading now. See that red light? That means the servo power is disconnected. The Arduino controls it. If not for that system there, the Arduino controlling the power, then the arm would be freaking out right now. Because the Arduino sends spurious data to its pins while it's resetting, programming, and shutting down. Used to really jerk around quite a bit before I had that. Oh, here's some error messages about the SD card code. There's the weird hardboard bug that came up. Something to do with the SD module that I plugged in. It's worked until today, and then it just started giving me trouble this morning. I'll probably just disable it. Because it's really just for the object locating algorithms, and they're not being used. The hysteresis is set really low at 4. I hope that's okay. Alright, let's try this. It's not working. Oh, once again, it's just slow, I think. Put it back here. Oh, that was okay. I'll try this bottle with wee superglue tubes in it. Found it that time. Oh, drat. So close. Let's go with this bottle of whiteout again. Seemed to work pretty well. Detection seems to be working better. Still pauses a lot. Slam dunk. I'll mark the pickup spot this time. Let's try this bottle again. Oh, looks like I'll have to cheat. Stick my hand in there. Ah, dang. I'll just stick it in there. Oh, oh well. It looks like I have some fine tuning to do. There are dozens of constants that could be tweaked to improve performance. Here's a peek at those just in the main program file, the AutoMove.cpp. Every one of these changes the arm's behavior. Again, it's picking up the objects at a set location, not at a dynamic location. I'll have to get it to scan closer to that location to improve that part, improve the detection. Right now it scans it a little ways away from it, more closer to the center of the platform. I'm pretty proud of this inverse kinematic system I came up with for this project. It doesn't actually do any path planning like a typical controller, a typical inverse kinematic controller, but it still accepts inputs in the form of height, radius, and turret angle. You know, just like of the end effector, just like a real one would. Uh-oh. The AutoMove has done another false positive. Means I have more tweaking to do. So I'll change it so the scanner is further out, closer to the pickup location. Oh, there it goes again. I'll have to get rid of those delays too. Those delays happen when it's, oh man, I hit the platform there. Those delays happen when it's being told to go beyond its limits, and the controller won't let it. It won't let the servos drive its parts past where they're supposed to go. But if the main code is telling it to, then it gets a standstill. It just times out. I have a timeout thing there. I think it's at 6 seconds, so whenever you see a 6-second pause, that means the main code tried to tell the control system to go somewhere where it won't go. Okay, the numbers have been crunched, the tweakable values have been tweaked, the gods of glitches have been appeased with various sacrifices. Let's get this show on the road. Should scan further out now. Yep, right there. Looks good. I'll let it sit there for a bit, check for false positives. Okay. Here we go. Alright, let's try it out. Good. Yikes! Caught the platform. Kind of missed it. Oh, a bit off with the gripper, but it worked anyway. There we go. Now let's try with an eraser. Nice. All right, let's do this tube again. A bit of help. Three for three, sorta. Nice. The false positives seem to be gone. I think this qualifies as working. Alright. Shut her down here. Do some glamour shots.